Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable video depth lock screen wallpapers on your any Galaxy device. So, let's begin. Okay, guys, first you have to download Good Lock on your Galaxy device. Simply go to Galaxy Store, search Good Lock and download Good Lock first. Okay, after download, simply go back. Now guys, you download live wallpapers from Instagram or Play Store or other apps. No matter, you download live wallpaper from which apps. But guys, remember, I will show you. You can see. Remember guys, you need to download wallpaper whose objects are stable like this and background is animated. You can see objects are stable and background is animated like this or like this. You can see car are stable and background is animated. So guys, now I will show you how to set these video depth wallpapers on your lock screen. So guys, I choose this wallpaper. Now simply stop first this wallpaper and tap on object. Now simply save this object as image and now this video set your lock screen. Now simply tap and done. Go back. Now tap and hold. Add gallery widget from Lockstar. Simply go to gallery and add widget. Now choose this object from gallery. Now guys, place this object same like now guys, I set object and now set clock behind this object like this. Simply set black color on clock. Simply tap and done. Now you can see depth video wallpaper enable on your Galaxy device. I will show you with another wallpaper. Simply go to gallery with this car wallpaper. Now simply now first save object as image. Now set this wallpaper on lock screen. Now guys, you can see this is previous object. Simply delete and now add object from Logstar. Go to gallery, select image and simply select car and place. Now set clock behind car. Now you see the magic. So I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.